Hello guys, so welcome back to the SQL section of data engineering with Animesh, and today I'm going to cover one of the most confusing, most asked, and one of the most important topic in SQL, and that is joins. And today I will cover all the interview questions that will be asked or have been asked in terms of joins. So stay with me for the next 7 to 8 minutes and I promise I will clear all your doubts. So let's get starting. I will first clear this. So basically in SQL there are mainly four type of joins that you should remember. First is inner join, second is left outer join, and it is also referred as only left join. So don't get confused that is there any difference also. Third is right outer join, that is also referred as right join. And the last one that is not very frequently used but still you should know it is full outer join. Now these are the four types of join. The question comes in the interview is how these types of joins function. Means they might give you some tables and ask you what would be the output if we use any one type of these joins. So now I will help you with that. Let us consider two tables. One is table A and let's take the entries 1, 1, 2, 3 and 5. Okay. And we take another table that is table B and the column name would be suppose 1 1, then I can take 2, then I will take 2 and then I will take 6. So suppose the interviewer has given you these two tables and asked you what would be the result if we use inner join. So what inner join does, only entries from both tables that perfectly match, that perfectly match. Okay, so suppose you can go to my previous videos where you will find many syntax of the join statement where I have solved real-time SQL problems. So here I will only give you what would be the output. Now suppose this is a table underscore result. This is the result table and now we're using inner join. So we will have two columns, right? For one column for table A, one column for table B. What would be the output? So first suppose this is the first entry it will take from table A and it will see all the entries from table B which are matching from table A. So see this, for this one there will be two matches, right? 1 and 1. So somewhat the result will be like this, 1 and then 1. Now it comes to this one, again two matches, 1 and 1, right? So 1 and 1. Just don't get confused. This one is coming from A and this one is coming from B. Okay, this one is coming from B, this column. Okay, so for 1 the matching has been done. Now comes 2, no match, no match, and we get a match here. So 2 and 2, and there would be two matches for 2 as well. Again there's another 2 in table B. So 2 and 2. Now no matches for 3, no matches for 5. So this would be the output of your inner join, right? Only the exact matches. Now comes the second one, left outer join. So the interviewer will mostly ask you what would be out of left outer join or right outer join, because there comes certain uh, confusing situations. So that is why. So table result. So this column is from table A and this column would be from table B. Okay. So left join works exactly as inner join for the cases that perfectly match, but it also takes the entries from table A that doesn't match with table B and replaces the entry for table B as null. Okay, I will show you how it works. So suppose let's take one. How many times it matches in table B? Two times. So again two entries. Similarly as we did for inner join, 1 1, again 1 and 1. Then now comes again this one, again two matchings. So 1 and 1. Okay, now comes 2. So it matches twice in table B. So 2 entries. So till here it is exactly same as inner join. Now suppose for this 3, we can say there is no match. We can see there is no match in table B, right? But still the output table will have entry as 3, but for B it will replace it with null. Okay, so that is the what you say the difference between inner join and left outer join or left join. Okay, and now comes 5 again. No matches for 5. So 5, and for column which are coming from table B, we will give null. So that would be the output for left outer join. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now comes right outer join. All the matching entries plus the entries which are present in table B but not present in table A. Okay, just opposite of left. So now let us quickly write table underscore result A B, but now we will see from right to left. Okay, to avoid any confusion. Okay, so for this one, 2 entries, right? One, one. For this one, again 2 entries, one and one, one and one. Okay. For this two, only one entry. So two and two. We are seeing from right to left. Okay. Now again comes a two. Again only one entry for table A. So two and two. Now comes six. No entries for table A. So for A, null, and for B, it would be 6. Okay. My null has taken a bit more space than I expected, so I will just correct it for you so that you don't get confused. So, okay. So this would be the output of right outer join. Got it? Now comes the last one is full outer join. Full outer join is the combination of left join and right join. Mainly all the entries would be taken care of. If there is matching, we would place the matching number. If there is no matching, we will replace it with null. So suppose, okay, full outer join, I will just quickly get to this table. So one C, 2 entries, again 2 entries. So one, 4 times I will, okay, let me not copy. I will just type it. One, 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 one. Okay, so one has been taken care of. Now let get two twice the entry, 2 times matching. Till here it is very similar. Now see, just join the output of left and out right. 3 has no match in table B, so 3 would be null. 3 and null. There was 5, there was no matching, so null. And for 6 there was no matching in table A, so 6. So this is how a full outer join works. The right side column is from table B and left side column is from table A. Okay, I will quickly write so that if you are writing it somewhere in your notebook or okay, so this is the joins concept. I have taken all the major important joins. I have explained how they work, and this is one of the most asked interview questions in any companies, whether you take mass recruiter or one of the biggest tech companies. So this generally tells the interviewer how you know the basics of joins or basic of SQL, which is means joins is the one of the most important basic concept of SQL. Okay, so I hope you would have understood how the main type of joins work, and now you can easily what you say with the help of example tell the interviewer how it works and all. So stay tuned with my videos. I will in the next video I will bring another important topic with joins, that how to deal with null values in join. So stay tuned, keep practicing, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.